ચાલો વિદ્યાર્થી મિત્રો સેક્શન એ ચાલુ કરીશું. મારી સાથે સેક્શન એ ચાલુ કરતા જાઓ. ફકરા ઉપરથી આપણે જવાબ લખવાના છે. પેલો પ્રશ્ન છે વોટ ઇઝ એમજીપી ડુઈંગ? તો લખો એમજીપી ઇઝ બિલ્ડિંગ અ નેટવર્ક ઓફ લો કોસ્ટ સોલર માઇક્રોગ્રીડ્સ that provide 2 LED lights and a mobile charging point to all paying households at a cost of 25 rupees per week. બીજું, what were the advantages of solar power? તો લોકો solar power is cheaper than kerosene and being a smokeless source of light, it is good for customers' health. ત્રીજું, why should we care for water bodies? તો લોકો we should care for water bodies because water is the basis of life. ચોથું, what do Arun and his team ensure? Why? તો લોકો Arun and his team ensure that the lake, grade and water holding are free of garbage so that birds, frogs and snakes can live in peace. From where had Blandford her address? તો લોકો Blandford found her addresses in a New York telephone directory. ચલો છઠ્ઠું, whom had Blandford written a letter to? What did he believe? તો લોકો Blandford and meanwhile wrote a letter for 13 months. Blandford believed that he loved her and that she loved him. સાતમું, what did Shukracharya advise Devyani not to do? તો લોકો Shukracharya advised Devyani not to grieve or cry or distress herself for a mortal like Kach. આઠમું, why was Shukracharya helpless? લોકો Shukracharya was helpless because it was difficult for him to bring Kach back to life. Nowmું, how did Helen's loneliness begin to disappear? તો લોકો Helen's loneliness began to disappear when she could make friends with the other blind children in the Perkins institutions. 10મું, how can you say that Helen did not feel lonely at Perkins institutions? તો લોકો Helen did not feel lonely at the Perkins institution because she could make friends with the other blind children. હવે છે વિદ્યાર્થી મિત્રો 11મો પ્રશ્ન. જો શોર્ટ નોટ્સ લખવાની છે, કોઈ પણ એક. ચાલો લખીશું 11મો. મધર અ વન્ડરફુલ ક્રિએશન. તો લોકો મધર ઇઝ એ વન્ડરફુલ ક્રિએશન ઓફ ગોડ. When God created mother, he wanted all her parts to be movable and replaceable. Her lap disappears when she stands up. Her kiss can cure everything from a broken leg to a broken heart. God wanted to give her 6 pairs of hands to manage her children and family without getting irritated. She would be able to run on way food available. God also wanted to give her 3 pairs of eyes, one pair that she her children through closed doors, another pair to look at the children and say, I understand that I love you without uttering a word, and the third pair of to see all secret things without opening them. When the model was ready, her eyes started leaking. It was unique, it was a miracle. That was a tear. It could be for pain or joy or prickle or disappointment or loneliness. ચલો હવે છે ધ વીવર બર્ડ. લખો વિદ્યાર્થી મિત્રો, ધ વીવર બર્ડ known as સુગરી in Gujarati. It is a small bird. It is gifted with the skill of weaving. It nets. It prefers long thread like grass leaves to build its nest. It takes nearly 18 days to complete nest building. When the nest is half completed, the male invites female for pairing by its song. If she accepts the nest, both of them finish the nest. If she doesn't, the nest is abundant. There for a male of 10 makes many nests during nesting seasons. જોઈ શકો છો વિદ્યાર્થી મિત્રો. પછીનો પ્રશ્ન છે રાઇટ વેધર ધ સેન્ટેન્સીસ આર ટ્રુ ઓર ફોલ્સ. તો ચાલો 12મું લખો ટ્રુ, 13મામાં લખો ફોલ્સ, 14મામાં લખો ફોલ્સ, 15મામાં લખો ટ્રુ. જો વિદ્યાર્થી મિત્રો જોઈ શકો છો, ફરીથી દેખાડી દઉં. 12મું ટ્રુ, 13મું ફોલ્સ, 14મું ફોલ્સ અને 15મું ટ્રુ.